Hey guys, today I'm going to show you where the fuel pump fuse and fuel pump relay are on this 2006 Mercury Mountaineer. If this video is helpful, can you smash that thumbs up button and leave a comment down below for the YouTube algorithm? Really helps out a lot. So go in there, pop your hood, and lift your hood. We're going to come right here to the under the hood fuse box. And your fuel pump fuse is this fuse right here. So this should be a 30 amp fuse. There's a 25 amp fuse in this one. And this is your fuel pump relay right here. So you got your fuel pump fuse, which should be a 30 amp, and your fuel pump relay right here. If this video is helpful, smash that thumbs up button. Leave a comment down below for the YouTube algorithm, and thank you for watching.